Boom. Can you hear me? Yes, sir. I had some login issues. Ecamm kicked me out. So we're just doing this. This show is edutainment. Stands for education, entertainment, smashed into one. And I'm a little distracted because I gotta get trading. So with that said, let me get set up. I'm not totally set up for you guys. I was doing some trades and my computer is really slow right now. Got lots going on. Let's switch this up. I got 30 seconds to do this. Today we're looking at Disney. Come on. Charts. TikTok, come on. There you go. Yep, come on. It's still going. Man, is it slow. Apologize. 9 seconds. At least this is working for us. Come on. Get that going. What up, social media world? My name's Alfred Gordon Liu. This is 8 at 8, and 8 minutes starts right now. We're talking about Disney, ticker symbol DIS, part of S&P 500. And this always shocks me. I don't know why. It's part of communication services. Most people don't think about Disney as a communication, but they own a lot of communication services. So if you are an investor, you're coming here to the investor relation page. You can see it's nicely up today. A lot of things are down, so this is showing some good strength today. But you came here for the charts. So let's see if we can actually get some of these charts working. Perfect. Let's change this up here. Boom, that looks a little bit better. Let's zoom in here. So you can see Disney was up at, back in March of last year, it was up at 203. It's dropped down all the way down to 90. Now it's rallied back up to 125. That's a great rally. It's still below the moving average. Sellers do have control, and people are still fearful of this stock as it's making its way back up. Woo! So if you're looking at that, this is a huge run up from 106 to 124. Let us see it. It's amazing what the last 2 months have done in terms of a run up. This is a crazy bounce. I don't know if it's a straight reversal. I always thought it was a dead cat bounce, but this is for sure a live cat. It's alive. So let's take a look at this big candle. Let's see what the opportunities are from a daily perspective. And we are going to, gotta zoom back out here for you. Come on. Let's get this. Yes, that looks a little bit better. Let's get a different chart for you. As you can see my trades from that. I got some stuff on there too as well. All right, let's get rid of this. Here we go. So you can see nicely to the downside, hugging the bottom of this Bollinger Band, hits the top, to the bottom, back to the middle, down to the bottom. And this is your buying opportunity, July 14th right here. That would have been your buy opportunity as it dipped below the Bollinger Band. And definitely, as you can see right now, like everything, we have been outside of the Bollinger Bands. 1, 2, 3, 4 days at extreme highs, definitely oversold. And you can see the strength also here. It's showing a sign of, hey, usually this is a positive sign, but I'll take it as an oversold sign right here. And you can see the strength as well. Strength is strong. Everything's trending up. So doesn't mean that that can't, but a lot of people might be thinking about taking profits here. This is kind of a non-biased way to say that, hey, yes, it is. People are just frenzying it right now. When that frenzy will die down is a different story, but right now it is solidly going up and still going up. So a little unbelievable to have this rally, but believe it, it is here, and you got to ride this, you got to surf this. I haven't done as well riding this wave up. I wish I did a better job. I was still in the fearful state, and I didn't take advantage of this move, which I should have, but got to live and learn, right? You got to live and learn. So amazing. If you did catch this bounce off the bottom, you have done quite well, as that's a tremendous rally from all the way from 90 all the way to 124. Good job, Disney, for rallying. So let's take a look at what is going to move the stock further, if there is a move further up or further down. There's their earnings. As you can see, they just met August 10th. We were expecting 0.96. They gave us 1.09. Great upside. Woohoo! That kind of helped propel it into the stratosphere as well. So if we're looking at today's economic calendar, 64 earnings, a couple of big ones to note there. Home Depot, let's say the Walmart, I think was reporting. No, maybe not Walmart. I know Home Depot for sure. And then stock splits and 61 economic events. Out of those economic events, what are the ones that are going to affect us today? Housing numbers, Canada's inflation, building permits, CPI inflation for Canada. And again, more building permit stuff is going to come out as well. So a lot of housing. So this would definitely affect Home Depot as well. So hopefully that's giving it an upside for the markets. In the news, some people are buying Disney as they see it's good value. It's survived many years. So Dan Lobb, I believe he's with Third Point. Is that right? Third Point is his hedge fund. He's had another stake, kind of like another value investor like Warren Buffett. And then there's some talk about Disney added more subscribers. It's also launching an ad-supported version at a discounted price, and pushing viewers to pay for ad-free version may backfire on overall subscription design. So with that said, one down and the future to go. Earnings, there's a lot of talk about Disney right now. So let's see if we can talk and take a look at Disney on an intraday level. And let's see what it's going to do this week or today. So I got some of my other studies on there. Let's clear that up a little bit. And let's use what you guys know is the Fibonacci's. We're taking a low. We're taking a high in pre-market. And we're zooming in here. So in pre-market, it hit 126. And then when it opened, it dipped all the way down to 123, which is below yesterday's low. I think now it's just kind of retraced back up to 124. It's going to test VWAP 125. And will it get even higher? Wow, I think it's going to hit this high right here. It's got to bust up to 125.25 before we can see even a simple retest of 126. But yeah, you got to get past this 125 mark right here, even past let's just say 125. It's got to get past this before you can even start thinking about testing that top end of the Fibonacci. So if you ask me, that's a pretty tight spread. I would say that's probably $2 right here, as you got the lows of 23.50. Let's just call that 23.50. And right now, opening range 24, almost 25. So yeah, $1.50 up and down. Hopefully you can catch a move. Yeah, Disney hasn't been going anywhere. It's pretty much trading sideways like it did yesterday. Oh my, look at that. Again, in this range, 120, 126. Ooh my, to 123. And Cat is causing a mess. We have 30 seconds before we get out of here, but as you can see, yeah, it is pretty much range trading. So if you can take advantage of these ranges, tops and bottoms, and trade those spreads, good on you as well. Good luck not getting chopped out. But yeah, if you want to range trade this thing, I would say once it gets back up close to 124.75, start building your position, shorting here. If it gets down to 123.80, start building your long position right here. So short here, long here. Boom. All right. Two minutes. Wish Daddy some luck. Daddy's been getting chopped up a little bit in the markets. But
this is my fidget toy.
And here comes Moyne. They smell like sunscreen. Today's supposed to be a hot, hot day as well. Oh, where? Watch your toesies. Watch your toesies. Watch your toesies. You want to come back up here? Ah, there you go, girls. Anything you want to say? Okay, I'm moving with them. All right, everybody. It's
Peace
8.
out.
It's 8:10. Careful, these girls gotta go to Mama's. We're taking off tomorrow, so we'll have a goodbye trade. And
Yeah, but. Yeah, but.
all right, everybody. I think everybody's gonna come out here.
Yeah, but.
And
Yeah, but.
we're just on for 30
Yeah, but.
seconds.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but.
Yeah, but.
Yeah, but. Yeah, but.
You're definitely a little nutsoid. All right, everybody. I hear the wind down. Hey, no touching the screen. No touching the screen. 8 seconds. Count it down. 5.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Peace
Peace
out.
out.